Riotrewardco review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're trying to earn in-game rewards quickly, Riotrewardco may look tempting, but most people get this wrong by assuming all rewards are free and instant. The surprising truth is that some tasks require time investment and premium options come with additional costs. Riotrewardco offers free access to basic tasks that earn points redeemable for game currency, but paid packages start at $99 for faster point accumulation. Larger bundles can reach $99, increasing speed and unlocking exclusive rewards. What you get: access to a platform to earn rewards for games like League of Legends, a variety of tasks, and optional premium upgrades. What you give up: time commitment. Some tasks may not yield consistent points, and rushing by paid plans is optional but not guaranteed to speed results. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Start with free tasks to test reliability. Step 2. Assess whether premium options save enough time to justify the cost. Step 3. Track points earned versus effort. Step 4. Ensure your account is secure to avoid violations. You won't believe what happens next if you expect instant rewards. Point accumulation takes consistent effort. The surprising truth is that Riotrewardco works best as a supplementary tool for players willing to invest time or pay strategically for faster access. In conclusion, Riotrewardco offers value for gamers seeking rewards, but knowing pricing tiers, time requirements, and premium benefits ensures you get the best experience for your money.